Hey everyone, today we are exploring something revolutionary in AI image generation, Flux Kontext. This tool is a total game changer. No more wasting hours with layers or getting stuck in Photoshop. With Flux Kontext, you simply upload an image and type what changes you want. That's it. Want to erase objects, change backgrounds, tweak outfits, or even shift the entire season in a photo? It handles all of that in seconds. And here's the mind-blowing part. It keeps a character's face consistent across multiple images, even if they are doing completely different things. No more distortions or mismatched features. This isn't just editing, it's real-time visual storytelling powered by your imagination. Stick around. You are about to see the future of image creation unfold right before your eyes. So, to get started, I simply searched for Black Forest Labs on Google. Right at the top, I found their official website and clicked on it. The homepage quickly redirected me to the introduction page for Flux Kontext. Since the model has just recently launched, everything feels fresh and exciting. To use any of their features, first we need to create an account. I clicked on the login button, which you will find at the top right corner of the page. From there, you can either sign up using your email or just log in with your Google account. I went with the Google option, super quick and easy. Once I logged in, I landed on the dashboard of the Black Forest Labs website. From here, I clicked the home icon to head back to the main page. Then, I hit the Get Started button. Right now, Flux Kontext is available in two versions, Pro and Max. You can try them out directly through the Playground platform or access them via the API if you are building something custom. Once you are on the welcome screen, just click on the Try in Playground option. A small window will pop up. Check the box that says I am over 18 and then hit Get Started. And just like that, you are in the main image editing page powered by Flux Kontext. Right away, you will notice some really cool sample edits on display. Feel free to scroll through and explore the samples. They really showcase what this tool is capable of. Now, let's take a quick look at your account info. Head to the bottom left corner and click on the My Account button. Here, you will see how many free credits you have left. And here's a bonus. Just by signing up, you get 200 free credits right away. You will also find the option to log out from this menu if needed. Before editing, make sure you are in the Edit section on the left-hand menu. That's where all the magic happens. Alright, now let's jump into the actual editing process. At the top of the page, you will see an upload box. Just click on it, choose the image you want to work on, and upload it. In this first example, our goal is to remove items and people from the background. I simply type that request in plain English into the prompt box. Now, over on the right corner, there's a small three-dot icon inside the text box. Click on it to access some extra settings. Under the batch size option, I choose how many images I want the AI to generate per request. This time, I go with 2 images. Next, in the output format section, I can choose between PNG or JPEG. Once that's set, I hit the submit button. Now the request goes into the processing queue, and in just a short moment, the results show up as 2 thumbnails. I click on one, and wow, all the people and objects in the background are perfectly removed, and even the empty spaces are beautifully reconstructed. The AI didn't just erase things, it understood how to fill in the blanks naturally. Honestly, doing this manually in Photoshop would take a ton of time, and even then, getting this level of precision would be tough. But here, it's done in seconds. To download them, just click on the 3-dot icon at the top right of the page and select Download. And if you hover over each thumbnail, you will also see quick options to edit or delete them. This tool really makes high-quality image editing feel effortless. Next, I click on the Edit option to start a new transformation. Now that we have successfully removed the unnecessary elements from the background, let's move on to something even more exciting, placing our character in a beautiful landscape. To do this, I simply type my idea into the text prompt box, asking the AI to change the background to a scenic view. Then, just like before, I click the 3-dot icon at the top right of the box to double-check the settings. Once everything looks good, I hit Submit. The request enters the processing queue, and within a few seconds, 2 stunning thumbnails are ready. I click on one of them, and just like that, our character is standing in a gorgeous, immersive landscape. So effortless, yet so professional. Now, let's revisit one of the images we used earlier as a reference. I click the edit option on one of those previous thumbnails. This time, we are going for a major character transformation. Let's imagine the weather has suddenly turned freezing, and our character needs to be dressed for a snowy winter day. So, in the prompt box, I clearly describe that the character should be wearing warm winter clothing. Again, I check the settings by clicking the 3-dot icon on the right corner of the typing box, then hit Submit. The AI gets to work, and after a short wait, boom! 2 incredible results appear. I click on one to view it in high resolution, and there it is. Our character has been beautifully transformed, now fully dressed for the cold, looking completely natural and professionally styled. It's amazing how seamlessly this model adapts to your imagination. It's time to let go of the traditional, time-consuming way of editing images in Photoshop, because Flux Kontext isn't just faster, it adds a whole new artistic flair to your edits. In the next example, I wanted to enhance the winter vibe even further. So, I hovered over one of the thumbnails where our character is already dressed in warm winter clothes and clicked on Edit. This time, in the prompt box, I clearly typed that I wanted light, natural snow to gently settle on the character. A simple idea, but one that adds so much mood to the scene. I pressed Submit, and the request entered the processing queue. Just a few moments later, there they are. 2 new thumbnails that really capture the essence of a chilly winter day. I clicked on one to view it larger, and the result was stunning. Now the character looks fully immersed in winter, with delicate snow resting on their hair and shoulders. And it's at this point you truly realize the creative power of Flux Kontext has no boundaries. Now here's the thing. In Photoshop, this would have taken tons of time, using masks, brushes, layers, you name it. But with Flux Kontext, it's as easy as refining your prompt. This is the moment you truly realize how this AI is redefining what image editing can be. This is where Flux Kontext really shows off its consistency. The character's look stays the same. The face is perfectly preserved, even in a completely different scenario. Then, by clicking on Start Over, we return to the edit page to begin a fresh new project. Now let's talk about something even cooler, text editing. Flux Kontext isn't just about images. It also understands and edits text with incredible accuracy. At the top of the edit page, I click the upload box, choose my new image, and upload it. This time, I want to change the text on a movie poster using the power of AI. I already have a prompt ready. In this prompt, I ask Flux Kontext to replace the word Titan with AI Future and Exodus with Bite, keeping the same style and effects. I paste the prompt into the box, click on the 3-dot icon on the right, and make sure to set the output to 2 images, since I am keeping an eye on my credit usage. Then, I hit Submit. After a brief wait, the thumbnails are ready, and they are absolutely mind-blowing. The original titles have been cleanly removed, and the new words are perfectly inserted using the same font, color, and visual effects. It looks like the poster was made that way from the start. One last tip. On the left-hand menu, under the History section, you can access all your past edits and creations. Super useful if you want to go back, re-edit, or download something again. And hey, if you are serious about the future of content creation and don't want to be left behind in this wave of AI transformation, hit that subscribe button right now. Because from here on out, the tutorials are going to get more advanced, more practical, and way more powerful. Stay tuned because we will be back soon with another game-changing tutorial. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.